They hid it for 80 years, 80 years of classified files, 80 years of nothing to see here. And then yesterday, May 8th, 2026, the Pentagon dumped 162 UFO files onto the internet for everyone to read. And buried inside those files is a photograph from 1972 that no scientist on Earth can explain. Here's what the US government just admitted exists. File 1. An FBI drone pilot filming the sky when a linear object, blindingly bright, appears out of nowhere, hovers, and then vanishes. Zero deceleration, no sound, gone. File 2. Military infrared cameras tracking an 8-pointed star-shaped object over the Middle East in 2013. It moves at speeds our fastest jets cannot match. And File 3, the one that stopped me cold. The Apollo 17 mission, 1972. On the way to the moon, astronauts photographed 3 bright dots forming a perfect triangle against the blackness of space. The Pentagon's official statement, quote, "There is no consensus about the nature of the anomaly. No consensus about a triangle in space photographed by NASA astronauts." Now here's where I need to be honest with you, because the headlines are going crazy right now. Science doesn't confirm aliens from a photograph, it asks questions, and the questions these files raise are genuinely disturbing. The Fermi Paradox tells us this. The universe is 13.8 billion years old. There are 400 billion stars in our galaxy alone. The mathematical probability that Earth is the only planet with intelligent life is basically zero. So statistically, they exist somewhere. The Drake equation, developed in 1961, estimates thousands of communicating civilizations in our galaxy right now. So if they're out there, why is the government only now telling us about triangles in space? That's the question nobody in Washington is answering. Here's what I think actually matters about yesterday, not the footage, not even the files. It's the fact that the US government looked at the American people and said, "Make up your own minds." For 80 years, the answer was, nothing exists. Now the answer is, we don't know. That is not a small shift. That is a seismic one. Because science was always asking these questions, the government just finally stopped pretending they weren't. 162 files, 80 years of secrets, and 0 final answers. But here's the truth. The greatest discoveries in human history started exactly like this, with something we couldn't explain. So I'll ask you what the Pentagon didn't answer. What do you think is in those files? Drop it below. I read every single comment, and if this blew your mind, our next video asks the question that keeps astrophysicists awake at night. What would happen if alien life was officially confirmed? See you there.